Breaking the musical ceiling, the robotic hand revolutionizing piano practice. Many pianists and other working to master a skill hits what's called the ceiling effect. It's when, after years of training, progress seems to stall no matter how hard you try. For pianists, this means feeling stuck on challenging pieces or risking injury from over-practicing. Enter Shinichi Furuya, an award-winning pianist and scientist who decided to tackle this problem head-on, literally. After injuring his hand from overtraining, he developed a robotic hand that helps pianists practice passively. This powered exoskeleton fits over the hand and guides your fingers through precise, complex movements, teaching the muscles to perform advanced techniques. It's like having a personal coach that never gets tired. In tests with 118 pianists, the device showed remarkable results. Their fingers moved faster and struck the keys with greater accuracy. Surprisingly, the untrained hand improved too, thanks to the brain's ability to learn through passive physical motion. Furuya's invention is more than just a tool, it's a breakthrough. For pianists, it offers a way to safely suppress performance plateaus, and for the rest of us, it's a reminder that sometimes a little extra support can go a long way. This robot hand shows that even when progress feels out of reach, innovation can help unlock new potential. And that's it for my news update today. Don't forget to join me for my weekly Robot Optimized workshop if you're interested in learning more about the robotics and the latest trends for business. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on the future updates. I'm Robo Phil from Robot Philosophy, and I'll see you next time.